Hey, what's up, guys? Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a review on this website that I found. It's called Comple.com. And what you do is it's custom computers. So, uh, what you have to do is you just come in here and press whichever type of CPU you want. They support the i7s, i5s, and i3s. They have as you can see, a very long list of different types of CPU. From what I can see, it goes from highest price to lowest price on this search list. So you can press one of them if that's what you want. AMD CPUs. That's just a different type of CPU. If you want an AMD CPU, then you leave the Intel CPUs list empty and just keep it on unselected. And you can choose one of these AMD CPUs. They have a lot of them here. AMD CPUs are a lot less money for this 8-core processor. I think it's somewhere around $200, whereas this Intel Core i7 3960X Extreme Edition 6-core is over $1,000. So if you want to save some money but still get a very good computer, I would do an AMD. So here we can just press that. And you have different types of graphics processing units, or GPUs. There's ATI, which is owned by AMD now, and they are just made up a little differently than NVIDIA GPUs. I personally have NVIDIA GPUs, but I do know that ATI GPUs are very good, and you can do a lot of things with them if you want to game, if it's for business, performance, etc. You can definitely use an ATI graphics card, and NVIDIA graphics cards. Um, they're good graphics card. I know I have two EVGA GTX 550 Ti, 1 gigabyte GDDR5 in my desktop computer, which I did get from this website, but at that time they didn't have the EVGA GTX 550 Ti with 1 gigabyte. Now it's 2 gigabytes, but I do believe that it is the same price. So that's good, and you can get one or two GTX 580 3 gigabytes. That would be a kick-ass GPU. But anyway, RAM supports from anywhere 2 gigabytes to 32 gigabytes, which is a lot of RAM. 32 gigabytes will be able to do pretty much anything you want, unless it's like some supercomputer for a nuclear research lab. Optical disk drive, you can get a DVD burner or a Blu-ray burner, 2 DVD burners, 2 Blu-ray burners, or 1 DVD burner and 1 Blu-ray burner. And then you have hard drives. You can do 500 gigabyte, 1 terabyte, and 2 terabyte hard drives. And then you have the option of 3 different SSDs. Can get 120 gigabytes, 240 gigabytes, and 300 gigabyte solid state drive. And then you can get you can have two 2 terabyte hard drives, which would be 4 terabytes obviously, or 4,000 gigabytes. or you can have two SSDs of whichever kind you want, which would be completely insane. In a RAID configuration, I'm sure it would be in a RAID configuration. And the case, you can either have the Cooler Master Elite 371 or the Cooler Master HAF 912 Advance. They do say though, if you want a manufacturer or a different case, you can put the name and manufacturer in the comments section, which is right here, and they will get that case for you. So all you have to do is put in your first and last name, address, zip code, and email, and they'll send you a price quote fairly quickly. And as I said, I have a computer from the guy who makes it, and it's a great computer. It really runs fast. I haven't had any problems with it, and it's really good. Highly recommend the site. Um, do visit it and get a computer from them because it's a really good site. So thank you. Rate, comment, subscribe, and all that crap.